Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to download videos from website. On today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download videos from website link. So to download, here are some platforms where you can download movies legally. And I'm gonna give you a little bit of a tip right here. Not only download, also watch them or stream the movies. So let's get started. So the first one is subscription-based services. So what do I mean by subscription-based services? Like Netflix right here, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, Hulu, HBO Max. So all of those subscription-based services offers offline download for the most titles. So they allow you to download their movies offline. So there you go. And the second one is the pay per download service. So what is the pay per download service? So we have here is Google Play, movies and TV. You can see here is the Google Play. All of these are pay per download, except a few of them you can rent them or you can buy the movies. And if you're using an Apple or maybe an Apple, right here you can use Apple iTunes Store. There you go. You can also go to Apple iTunes Store if you're using Apple and buy movies here or maybe watch movies there. And a quick tip and a bonus for you guys, you can also watch or stream movies online. So, but there's a but, it's ad supported. So when you're gonna watch free movies, here there will be ads. And some regions support download for offline viewing. So like Tubi TV. So some of the regions when you're using Tubi TV, it allows you to download the movie offline, but it has ads when you're watching it online. Free movie, but it has ads. But some regions it allows you to download offline, so when you're watching it offline, it doesn't have ads. And the next one is Crackle. So Crackle free streaming platforms with ads, but offers movies and also TV shows. And the last one is Pluto TV. So free streaming with live channel and on-demand movie. And supported, of course, by ads. So there you go, guys. That's how you download legally, legally in movies. That's how you download legally movies. So I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we will be happy to answer them for you. Also, your concerns. If you guys like the video, hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.